Want to use multiple Roblox accounts on the same device? In this video, I'll show you add another Roblox account without any confusion. First, open the Roblox application. Make sure you are already logged into your current account. Once the app fully loads, you will see the home screen with all games and options available. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main navigation panel where all settings and account options are located. Next, scroll down slowly inside the menu until you find the Switch Account option. Tap on it to continue. This section is designed to help you manage multiple accounts easily on the same device. After that, tap on Add Account. Here you will see 2 options: log in with an existing account or create a new one. If you already have another Roblox account, choose Login and enter your details. If you don't, select Create New Account and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Finally, make sure to switch between accounts carefully so you don't lose progress or mix up profiles while playing games. Done! You've successfully added another Roblox account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Roblox tips and tricks.